Whoa, almost fell there. The snow's pretty deep. Welcome back to Crew's Garden, everybody. So I went and collected a few eggs this morning and noticed an unfortunate event had taken place where one of my hens, Caroline, had, she was just roosting in the wrong spot and kind of got pooped on. So she's really dirty. And with how cold it is, it's kind of frozen to her. So I think it's time to have a bit of a spa day. So I'm going to try to snatch her up in the coop and see how that goes. And oh yeah, they all know. Hi, ladies. So I've never given a chicken a bath before. It's never been required or necessary or what have you. So I'm going to give this a go, and this should be a fun episode. So there's gonna be a few breaks in the video, a few edits. Just bear with me. Still learning a lot of the social media stuff. And yeah, we'll see how this goes. It should be a fun episode. Stay tuned. Hello, ladies. Look, got another egg. I'll have to come back for that in a bit. So there she is. There's the dirty girl. And she is filthy. So she's gonna get a bath, and hopefully she doesn't freak out. She's not the friendliest of the hens. Yes, Phoenix. And she's the smallest chicken of them, but you see her tail is just covered. Her whole back is covered. So she must have been on the lower roost last night, and somebody just had the right aim, I guess. So I'm gonna try to catch her and get her in the house. Hopefully my Boston Terriers don't absolutely, yeah, you can see how dirty she is. Hopefully the Bostons don't absolutely freak out that I'm bringing a chicken in the house. And give her a bath, get her all cleaned up, and then I gotta do all the sanitation for after the bath and clean up the facilities that she's gonna be getting cleaned in. So let's see how this goes. I'll be back in a moment. Oh, I got her. You see, she's supposed to be white. She's not. So this is Caroline. If the audio's echoing, it's because there's a lot of tile on the walls in here, so it's gonna echo a little bit. So I'm gonna attempt to give her a bath. I'm using Tearless baby shampoo. It was one of the options that I looked up online against my first time trying to bath a chicken. She's being better behaved than I thought. The water's lukewarm. This is not one of my friendliest hens. She likes to nip a lot. So I probably got to start handling her more. She's obviously scared. This is a new environment for her. So let's give this a go, and hopefully it's not too stressful for her. So let's try this. Oh, she's being good. Okay. She's being pretty good. Now, Caroline here is my only hen who's not laying. And I've been really trying to figure out, I'm gonna get a little bit more of this soap. I'm really trying to figure, hopefully she doesn't run off. Hopefully she doesn't run off. I've been, put it there, really been trying to figure out what kind of chicken she is, and I'm pretty sure she's a bluebell, which is a cross between a Americana and something else. Can't remember what it was. And chickens are kind of, well, not the easiest to get wet. Getting her tail feathers. This little jug here. She's being really good, actually. Now I'm gonna try to use a hair dryer and try not to get too much on her head. Maybe a little bit. Get under the feathers. She got some black feathers in here, some red feathers. She's kind of a mutt, I think. She's not shaken, so she's not scared. Well, maybe not as scared. She kind of likes this. Maybe put a little bit on her head. Boop. You didn't like that very much, did you? She's being good. Sorry, it's not the closest zoomed in. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit. Let me try. Can you stay? Hi, sweetie. Yeah, I know. Those of you that know me probably thought I'd never have chickens. See if I can zoom in a bit. Nope, doesn't let me do that. Because I'm using an iPhone. Look at her, she just stayed. You're so good. You're so good. I'm probably gonna put a little bit more soap on her. I'll let the soap sit in for a bit. This isn't like, it's not expired, but it's an older bottle of Tearless baby shampoo. Yes, you have to get in there and wash their butt, get under the wings. Ooh. So, yeah, having chickens has been fun. It's been very educational. And even though I've only got 6 out of 7 hens laying, 6 eggs a day adds up really quickly. Like, you know, I've obviously been a good neighbor and I've given eggs to my people in my neighborhood. And, you know, I've got 1 or 2 neighbors that are very, oh, you really like that, don't you? Look at that, she's putting her face right in the water. Don't drink it. Wow, neck is really skinny. Let's see if I can get under there. Get your legs. My goodness, you were dirty. Feathers are starting to turn white again. It's amazing. It's a good chicken. It's a good chicken. Yeah. I got my dogs at the door freaking out because I get, woo! All right. Now you need to come back in the back. Look at the dirt coming off you still. Woo! That's Maverick barking at the door. See, now the dirt's starting to free up on her. I'm just gonna put it right on you. Ugh. Maverick, go away, I'm giving a chicken a bath. This is not the easiest thing. Well, maybe I didn't think this one through fully when I said, all right, I'm gonna film this. But it was too good to be, you know, passed up. Woo. Stay, come on, you're fine. I'm gonna rinse her off, and then we're gonna try to use a hair dryer. Hi, you're okay. And it's a good time to check them too, make sure they don't have mites or fleas or anything like that. And she seems pretty good. She's just trying to get under the feathers. It's like the more I rinse her, the more dirt comes off. It's crazy. Yeah, I'm just kind of. Ooh, you're not too happy now, are you? a good chicken. It's the feathers. They just keep all the soap. I know I use quite a bit of soap, but they just, I don't know, like sponges. At least she's not losing feathers. She's not going bald. So that's a good thing. It's a good time to check their feet too. Let me see your feet. So your nails can get trimmed. I learned about that a little while ago. But I don't think today's the day. That's too much. Too much for one day. What do you think, chicken? All right. Now, I'm going to try to do this without her freaking out. She can't push off. There she is. That's my chicken. And she's doing better. Woo. Look at the head. It's moving. All right, so I'm going to try to do this and move this a little bit. I got a little hair dryer here. Hopefully she doesn't absolutely freak out. Uh-oh. Hold that thought. All right, I gotta reset it. Nope. All right, now let's try it. Aha! Dry her off. I don't think she's gonna fly away on me. Sorry about the noise. Now you gotta remember, I gotta do this, I have to dry her off. Like I can't put her back outside. She'll freeze. And her leg's twitching a bit. She's okay, she's not shaking. And I don't wanna keep it too far away. All right, so I'm gonna keep doing this because I think it's gonna take a while and I will get back to you all. And I'm thinking it's gonna take at least 20 minutes. So let me get Caroline all dried up and I'll give you an update and see how this girl's doing. All right, see you soon. All right, everybody. Well, that took a lot longer than I thought. She's not 100% done, but she is being so good. She's being so good. So I'm just gonna finish her up and like, this is great how she's been. She's just chilling. She's learning to trust me a little bit more. So I'm gonna just, like, look at this. Maybe even put it on higher. And she just loves it. Look at her wings. Yes. So yeah, there you go. Caroline's spa / bath day. I'm not gonna trim her nails today. They are getting kind of long from what I've been learning about. But she's definitely a good chicken, aren't you? You're a good chicken. So she's dry enough to go back outside. She's got a little bit. Whoop, hang on. I got you. There we go. But she's a good chicken. Like, she's a little damp underneath the wings. But other than that, she is being a good chicken. She's not trying to freak out and run away anymore, are you? Yeah. You're a pretty bird. It's like, I always loved that part in the original movie Dumb and Dumber. I don't know, I've mentioned it in like other videos, but it's like, pretty bird. So she's all clean. She smells a hell of a lot better, that's for sure. I gotta start working on some other things for the chickens. Probably gonna put like some kind of first aid kit together as well, because they peck at each other sometimes, and I've been using Polysporin and Burt's Bees as well for when they get wounds and when they start getting frostbite, stuff like that. But when you take care of chickens, it's good to check their feet. Make sure they're not cracking or anything from frostbite. And she's pretty good. But this was my most aggressive chicken, and she's pretty trusting now. Yeah. I got you. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching Crew's Garden, and till our next episode, take care.